I'm Dan. I am the Food and Enterprise Youth Worker here at Manchester Youth Serving Hartman, and this is my lovely training kitchen. We've got loads of different things that we were provided for us. Really good multi-use safe hobs. They only work if there's a pan on them. Got loads of shelf space and a nice, really good work surface. It comes with a delicious fridge and a freezer. The dishwasher. Now, most of the young people that come here, they generally call this the cheating machine, because at home they have to wash the pots.
My name's Thomas, his name's Hugo, and we're going to be baking with Dan.
Been a lot of bakery, we've just done some scones, we've got some chocolate brownies going out, and then later on we're going to make some pizza dough for tomorrow basically.
Now that I've learned how to make the dough, when I go home, I'm going to ask my dad, can we make pizza tomorrow?